Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Welcome to another video, and we're at the top of Mount
Noonoo in the Sunshine Coast. The view from up here of the Glasshouse Mountains and all the unique shape rock formations and mountains, it's just beautiful. This is a good first entry hike to the Glasshouse Mountains in the Sunshine Coast. Wow, look at it. So beautiful. Just keeps getting better and better. So the hike only takes about 20 minutes to half an hour, and it's a 2.9 kilometre round trip. So it's one of the easiest ones. And it's even really nice on that side, which is for sunset. The sun is well and truly up. So now we're going to make our way back down, get into the van, probably have breakfast, coffee, and then, continue on driving through the rest of the Glasshouse Mountains.
All right, so we're on our way down now. Head torches are off. We can finally see, and we can show you what the track is like. It's fairly easy. It only took us 20 minutes. They're just these big rocks.
This is how you hike down.
So this mountain is pronounced Noonoo. Mount Noonoo, and it's an Aboriginal name. However, if you read the name, it looks like it says Nagungun, Nagungung, and some people pronounce it Mount Gungun, but the actual proper pronunciation is Mount Noonoo. There was a fair few people up there, maybe 8 or 10 people up there, but really nice. We had a bit of cloud covering the sunrise this morning, so it didn't pop as much as we wanted it to. But we might come back for sunset and check it out. It's better for sunset because you can see the other Glasshouse Mountains on the other side like better, like they're backlit. So we're going to come back up and show you what it's like. We're back.
I feel like I've got deja vu. We've decided to come back to Mount Noonoo for sunset because it is only a 20-minute hike. It's really easy. It's just a few steps. And we can see it from the sunset from the other side, which would look nice.
The other mountains, they're backlit. So the sun will be coming from a different angle, and it's just gonna, I think, look good because we can get some other shots. The car park is way more full compared to this morning. There's like triple the amount of cars. Obviously it's a bit harder to get up for sunrise, so that's why we like doing it, because you don't get as many people. But now for sunset, everyone's here. So let's see if we can even get a spot up the top. So even though we did this morning, there's still a little bit of anticipation because it's going to look different. Pretty excited still to see what it's going to be like. It's a lot hotter. When we left this morning, it was such a nice temperature because it was 4:30. But it's definitely a lot hotter now and we're sweating way more. But we're almost there. Another 30 seconds and we'll be there.
Wow, I can see.
We've made it to the top. of Noonoo. The light's a little bit harsh, but give it a little bit and it's gonna look really nice, get the nice contrast, get the nice yellow hues. As you can see over there, you've got the tall one, which is Mount Beerham. And then you've got, I forgot the name of it, but there's like this needle looking one in front of it. They're right sort of behind each other. It looks really, really cool. Wow.
So I think sunset is my favourite. The light's so nice behind the other mountains. It's really nice and golden. I mean, if you had perfect conditions for sunrise, it would be beautiful. Of course, less people, but still so nice just to get a spot and enjoy watching the sunset here on the Sunshine Coast. So pretty. Good morning. So we've just pulled up. We're going to have breakfast and a coffee. We're still here in the Glasshouse Mountains. I found a nice little spot overlooking some of the mountains and the pine trees. So it's just beautiful.
Such a nice spot.
Nice, hey?
Yeah. I'm hungry though.
Okay, what's for breakfast?
I'm thinking pancakes.
Maybe banana protein pancakes? Camera check. EPIRB check. Yeah, copy Roger. Radio check. Head torch check. Spare shirt because it's a crazy hike. Check. Okay, these are the things I need for tonight's sunset hike. We're going up Mount Tibrogargan. It's one of the biggest here in the Glasshouse Mountains. We're actually meeting another photographer, Emily, who lives here and travels around in a van with her dog and cat, because it's good to take someone who has done it before, and she's very experienced in doing this hike because there's a little bit of like rock climbing and a few different routes. So me and Max doing this on our own would have no idea. So safer for us and fun, and also a great way to meet someone that you've been following along and who's very inspiring. So really excited to meet Em. If it's too hectic, we won't do it. We said that. If it's too crazy, take you guys along with us. Who knows, you might see us up the top next, or you might see us down here say, nah, we didn't go.
I'm just taking one camera as well, the Sony with 24 to 105, so I've got a bit more range than Emily, and a microphone, and I'm taking a drone as well. So here she is.
Oh, funny that. Alright, we pushed on. We're at the base now of Mount Tib. We've got an amazing guide.
Hi.
Emily. Guys, check her out, Adventure with Emily. She's an inspiring photographer, does beautiful work, actually
Awesome
does weddings.
content.
So, you know, Max, if we're thinking about, she's our girl. But it was kind of just like rocky stairs, isn't it? Like
Pretty
this part
much.
is like the easy bit.
Yeah.
And like we're almost at the bottom of the kind of like, what would you call it?
The climb, really.
climb.
Scramble.
Yeah, it's a
the
little
fun
bit,
part.
we've been told it's a bit like Mount Amos, which we've done many times. So as long as you take your time and yeah, you just, you know, watch where you're stepping, watch where you're grabbing, we should be right. So yeah, we'll see you at the top.
Good luck.
No, we don't need that. All right, just climbed from down there. Go Em. Okay, ready?
No. Yeah.
So we've made it to the top and we've climbed over the top, and now we're on the other side. This one's a bit more shady, so we're getting we're cooling down from that big rock scramble.
It's so
But the views, the views are amazing. And in the distance, you probably can't see, but we can actually see Brisbane.
Yeah.
It's quite hazy, isn't it?
Yeah.
On a clear day you can see so far.
And is that Caloundra? Or
That's Caloundra over
Caloundra.
there. Like
sound
Brisbane
like a
City
local.
in the distance. And then
wow.
so many Glasshouse Mountains around us.
Yeah, very
Wow.
nice. But for sunset, we're going to walk back up and over to the other side where we'll see the light and coming down and just, really enjoy accomplishing the hike up.
We made it to the top.
Go team!
We just got to get down.
And definitely, like I said before, you do not want to do this hike if you've never done it. You want to either go with someone who's experienced like we have, because it can be a little bit dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. So please don't watch us do it and think that you can do it, because we cannot do it on our own.
We are heading over to the western side of Mount Tib where the sunset is, and we're going to go check out the nice golden light that's hitting the mountain on that side. I can't wait. It's so beautiful up here. Wow. So this is the top.
We've made it to the other side, singing, oh my,
So pretty.
oh my. Hold your head up high, this is our time. Hold your head up high, this is our time. Together we will rise, step into the light. We were born to come alive. Hold your head up high. This is our time. This is our time. Reaching higher, always up. Keep climbing into it.
We did it. We made it down safe and sound. Wow, what a amazing hike, and it's so rewarding up the top, but it's even as rewarding when you get down safely. Oh, I had to have a shower. It's times like these that I'm very thankful for our shower, because I was sweaty and smelly and dirty.
We made it. We hiked the summit of Mount Tibrogargan. There was definitely some times there where you have to rock scramble and climb up the rocks. It made sense to go with someone that's already done it before. Emily was amazing. And she knew, like, there was some spots there where, like, she's like, no, go this way, it's a lot easier. Whereas we probably would have went like the other route, and it like was so much harder. And also because we had our backpacks, it was really sort of a bit more challenging as well, because you've got the extra weight behind you, and it's kind of easy to fall backwards. But once we got up to the top, oh my God, that was so amazing. So we went to the eastern side and we had a look at like a viewpoint there. Emily showed us like there's a spot where you can sit down there. And then we went over back to the western side and watched the sunset, and it was just so incredible. The light was just amazing tonight. Like, it was just nice and soft. And then I thought it was going to be really hard getting back down, especially, with our bags. But getting down wasn't as hard as what we thought. Like, you can see like where you're going to put your foot and like where you're going to place your hands, and it wasn't too bad. So we're actually super pumped and proud of ourselves that we accomplished that hike, because we didn't think we were going to do it.